Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I'll tell you how to grow musanda in pots. Musanda is one of the finest plants you can grow in the summer months and in scorching summer. You can get it in different color options, maybe white or pink color. They are around 100 rupees you can get. And if you want, you can get the deep red color and full of flowers in the whole the summer season. You can get the flowerings from here. Now I tell you the temperature range is around 20 to 45 degrees centigrade. So you can think and imagine in summer month, scorching summer month, the flower you can get huge flowers in the musanda. The first thing is to growing it. You have to select the pot. Pot should be clay pot. Around 10-inch pot would be best for growing musanda, and there should be holes at the bottom and the sides area also, so that the water can drain out properly from here, and cover it with a broken piece of this pot so that the soil cannot come out from here. So this is the area. Now the most important thing is the preparation of soil. I'll tell you what should be the actual soil mix here. Take any kind of soil, garden soil, 60% garden soil, maybe clay garden soil, sandy soil, alluvial soil, any kind of garden soil. Add around 20% of compost, maybe vermicompost or cow dung compost, and in that you may add 10% horn meal or bone meal, or these kinds of, this contains lots of nitrogen and phosphorus. So they will take a beautiful rooting here, and in that if you have, you can add 10% rice husk. This is the beautiful soil conditioner, and they will give the proper aeration to the roots, and there should be proper anchorage of the roots in these plants, and after decomposition they will convert into fertilizer. So this is the soil mix I am telling you. And for enormous flowering, if you have, you can add three things. You can add, first thing is single superphosphate. Add around 2 teaspoonful of single superphosphate. They contains lots of phosphorus, and they will give most of this beautiful rooting system in plants. And in that you can add 2 teaspoonful of muriate of potash or sulfate of potash. They will give beautiful flowering, huge flowering in your plants for long term period. And in that you can add 2 teaspoonful of mustard cake powder. They contains lots of micronutrients as well macronutrients, and this is the full completion of your soil mixture if you want enormous flowering. And first thing you have to do, make 3-inch layer of bed of soil in pot. And here this is the making of bed of soil in 3-inch layer. And now you have to take out the plant from the grow bag, and I'll tell you the trick of taking out the plant from the grow bag. You have to cut the two sides of this grow bag pot, because if you cut one side you may damage the root ball or rooting system. So you have to cut the two sides of the grow bag from with a pair of scissors. And now I'll show you how to take out the entire root ball properly from the grow bag. So this is the things, and now remove the grow bag gently. And after that you have to remove little bit of soil from the top portion and the lower portion, so that the roots are exposed little bit, so that they can be proper take the new soil mixture, they can be exposed into proper new soil mixture. So this is the time. Now I am placing it at the center of the pot, and after placing it center of the pot, fill up around 4 to 5 inch soil mix here. So just see how I am filling up the soils, and make sure the top 3-inch layer of the pot should be empty, so that you can give proper watering, proper time to time, proper fertigation, proper time to time. So you have to keep a 3-inch top layer is for empty. Now I have filled up the pot here properly, and after packing up the soils, you have to water it properly. First time you have to water profusely and nicely, sufficiently, and after 1 or 2 days you don't have to water, and after 2 days when the soil is totally dried up, then you start watering properly time to time. And after 15 days, I'll tell you one thing is the beautiful thing, free of cost you can buy, get this is the dried banana peel. Dried banana peel everyone have in his their home. So dry them under sun for 7 to 8 days, and then you can apply this. They contains lots of phosphorus and lots of potassium. So if you apply this as a mulch and as a fertilizer, yeah, the plants will get enormous fertilizer, and you don't have to add any chemical fertilizer, any other fertilizer in that. And then after that, you have to water it, and if you apply it once in a month, and then you don't have to add any kind of fertilizer in it. And if insect attack is not there, if there is insect attack, you can add 1 ml of imidacloprid insecticide. And if you want, you can propagate it through cuttings, soft cuttings in sand, just like chrysanthemum. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.